Glover now 175. Little wind helping. 8-iron here.
Shot right here. He could do it.
Well, it's on a good line. Just left.
Oh, just left. Clutch shot by Glover. He's got it. Lucas Glover, one-shot lead with 2 holes to play.
Hard one.
How did it sound? Is it going left?
Sounded good. No, it's just a little left, but I think it'll be all right.
Well, that's really not bad, folks. That's really all he needs to do is 3-putt.
Lucas Glover loves New York. He loves it even more after being crowned the U.S. Open champion at Bethpage.
How about that?